Hey there, WooCommerce users! Today, we're going to walk through how to enable fast checkout on your product pages using the CODCheckout plugin. Let's start by installing it. Head to your WordPress dashboard, click on Plugins, then Add New. Upload the CODCheckout zip file you've downloaded, install, and activate it. Before we set up our new checkout, let's quickly review the default WooCommerce process. As you can see, customers typically add items to their cart, view the cart, and then proceed to the checkout page. It works, but there's room for improvement. Now, let's configure CODCheckout. In the plugin settings, we'll enable checkout on the product page. We can also allow direct checkout from product archive pages and the shop page. Next, let's customize the form fields to show only what's necessary. This keeps things clean and user-friendly. Don't forget to check the COD fee settings and adjust the form styling to match your site. Time to test our new setup. Let's try ordering from a product page and then from the shop page. Notice how we skip the cart entirely and go straight to checkout. This streamlined process can really improve the customer experience. Here's a quick look at how these orders appear in your WooCommerce management system. As you can see, they're processed just like any other order.
Let's explore a few more settings. We can adjust various options to see how they affect the checkout process on our live site.
Remember, the goal is to find the right balance between speed and gathering necessary information. And there you have it. You've now enabled fast checkout on your WooCommerce product pages using CODCheckout. This can help streamline your customer shopping experience, potentially reducing cart abandonment. If you have any questions about the plugin or need help setting it up, don't hesitate to leave a comment below. We're here to help. And hey, if you found this tutorial helpful, why not hit that subscribe button? You'll be the first to know when we post new tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.